Hey kids, have you ever wondered what happens if you get struck by lightning? Yikes! Don't worry, this is just for fun. Let's find out together. Lightning is super powerful. It's like a giant electric zap from the sky. It has way more electricity than your toaster. Zap! People who get struck might feel a shock, have burned clothes, or even fall down. But guess what? Most people who get struck survive. Lightning is dangerous. Always go inside if you hear thunder. Uh-oh, thunder means lightning's nearby. Let's head inside. It's warm, cozy, and super safe in here. Wow, look at that lightning. It's fun to watch when we're safe inside. Just remember, when there's lightning, keep the windows closed to stay extra safe. Stay safe, stay smart, and let lightning do its thing. Up in the sky. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe.